Hey y'all, I have an unboxing. Hopefully you can see me. So I ordered something different. It's two boxes that's double boxed and taped together. So I'm just trying to get this tape off. I'm so hoping the sneaker guide is on my size and these fit, because both of these sneakers either ran from what they say a full size up to a half a size up, but most of the time that don't apply to me and my feet. So let's see what we got here. This is one. And this is number two. Both of them were double boxed, and then both boxes taped together. This is my receipt. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Sitting down. So if y'all following me for a long time, y'all know that I like stuff that's different. I still like my Nike, Adidas and stuff, but I'm trying to step out the box a little bit. And the sneakers that I was waiting for, the 720s and the different colors I want, didn't actually work out. So I ended up taking them back. And that video will most likely upload before this video, so you'll hear me explain what happened with the two pairs of 720s that I had. But I've been watching this guy's Instagram for a little bit, and again, when the Nikes didn't work out, I just said, you know what, let me go ahead and try these. And it's by Obscure Sneakers and Sneak Crew. They did a collaboration a couple months back. Saw a YouTube video on them and was like, those look really nice. And so I went on ahead and I ordered them. And this is the sneaker. It comes with three pairs of laces, so the one that's in this shoe, and then this one, and then a plain color, blue. So I don't know. They say these run a half a size big, but I went with a 41, which is an 8 in European size. Sneak Crew is a European sneaker maker, and they actually have some dope sneakers. To be quite honest, I have my eye on another colorway, but I needed to make sure these fit correctly before I went and I ordered that. The materials on this is really nice. You got your 3M hint on the back right here. My husband is silly. You got your 3M hits on the back right here, this right here, and then this is the company that I bought for a small business shoe store out of Miami, Obscure Sneakers. On the back, this is a Vibram sole right here, and I actually love Vibram. I had a couple of pair of Vibram runners or shoes, sock-like shoes in the past. This is also 3M, and the quality on these is nice. The suede is really nice. So hopefully I could get a good look at this. My lighting ain't the best. I'm in my closet. So this is all suede, and this is like a ribbed material to make it look like corduroy, but it's actually suede. And then you got the inside. It says Sneak Crew and Obscure Sneakers on the inside. This is the back of the tongue. So that is this one. And then I thought this was a really nice shoe. It was different. It's by Voile Blanche. I don't know. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But this is another one. And I thought they had some really nice colorways and sneakers. I believe this is a runner. This is the website. I got these from Obscure Sneakers as well. This says a 42. Oh, this is a 42, so it's an 8.5. And they said these run like a whole size bigger, but some of my sneakers are 8.5, so I'm hoping that's not true for this one. So they send you a card. And this is the inside of the box. I'm hoping I don't have to send these back, but it's, from the looks of it, this is a very long sneaker, like they said on the website, but we'll see. So this is the back. This is leathery. Inside, I thought this was so nice. The leather is really good. So we'll see how this shoe gonna fit. I would have preferred an 8, but they didn't have many sizes left in this shoe. So yeah, I just wanted to come do an unboxing. It only comes with, from what I see, those laces. This is the tongue. So yeah, let me try these on and I'll come back at you later. Peace. Hit that subscribe button and give me that thumbs up. Tell me what you think of these sneakers. Bye.